Today's showcase is on the 1:32 Aoshima Snap Kit. Unlike other model car kits which are mainly 1:24, this snap kit do not require any glue or complicated assembly. It's just a snap and go hassle-free kit. It's selling at a retail price for $15 which is quite economical in Japan. In fact, this snap kit was launched last year in Japan. I never picked any of these up, and I recently picked up this for the love of the Toyota 2000 GT. Instruction wise, it's a breeze. With just a few snaps, you'll be able to build your Toyota 2000 GT in no time. Body-wise, it's not painted, but it looks refined with a semi-gloss finish. The rest of the components look simple and straightforward as well. I believe this decal sheet plays a very important role because you do not have to paint. For the hobby tools, I usually have two cutters. The one on the left is the economical one from Tamiya for cutting bigger components and runners, while the one on my right is the Minishima cutter, which is more premium for more delicate and more precise parts. Tweezers from Tamiya with sharp pointed edges. You can get other brands as well, it's not necessary you have to get from Tamiya. And the stack tip brush from Tamiya, which is highly recommended to remove dust and other fine particles. Lastly, the nail file to remove excessive parts after you cut the components from the runners. Very simple, carefully apply the decals and apply onto the intended area once it's confirmed. Alright, all the decals on the body are now being applied. Next, carefully cut the components away from the runners. Use a nail file to file off the excess, and here you go. But remember, don't overdo it. Very simple, everything is just snap and assemble, and you'll be done in no time. Use the cotton swab to confirm the decals, especially the small ones. Just snap the interior from the runners, and here you go. I do not foresee any major assembly. I guess the only thing that needs to be assembled is just the steering wheel. And after all the decals for the interior is applied, just snap the interiors and prepare for final assembly. For wheel set wise, it's just simple assembly and you're done. Alright, and now the final assembly. Very simple, it's just a breeze. And now here you go, my favorite Japanese nostalgic car, the Toyota 2000 GT, in 1:32 scale. Surprisingly, it goes along very well with the Tomica Premium version. Regardless, it's just a snap kit. It's quite well detailed and every component is on point. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.